Hello YouTube. Thought we'd take a chance, crack open some really awesome Plymouth roadrunners. I've had some of these in the collection for quite some time. Start off by taking a look at this really hard to get Release 3. Recently got this from Heavy Metal. This is a really hard to find. There's a red variation of it that's even harder to find. And that was the only one I had loose. I thought I had at least one or two other ones that were loose, but I looked around and I guess those were the only ones. But I have these two. This is Release A and Release B from 2017. I think 2017. Yes, 2017. First we'll crack open the blue one. This thing looks amazing. A little bit of a paint flaw in the hood, a little bit of white paint. So it's the same paint scheme as the Release 3. Exact same with the roof, stripe, and everything. Don't know if we can read the license plate. Just has a number on it. And it has the same rims and tires as the Release 3. Good front detail. Has blue interior. Next one's from the same release. Black variation. That blister popped clean off. She wanted to come out. So it looks really good in this black. The white roof. And the ultra red of this had a white roof. Try and work out a deal for the ultra red right now. I do not have a Plymouth Roadrunner ultra red. For some reason, the Plymouth Roadrunner is a highly collected auto roll casting, and it can be hard to find. The blue one goes for like 25-30 bucks on eBay if you can find it on eBay. There usually isn't one listed. The next one is a hobby exclusive, limited to 1,800, which these two were limited to 2,500, and the Release 3, they do not tell you how limited it is, but if you know anything about auto roll, the Release 3 is very elusive. It's very hard to find the Release 3. And I think that's why I didn't have the blue one cracked, was because the blue one sells for 25-30 bucks on eBay. I do have an extra blue one. If anybody has a Plymouth Roadrunner that I do not have and would like to trade, I do have a blue one available for trade. But this looks really awesome in this, I'm not quite sure what color that would be, kind of like a rust color. And it has the same paint scheme as the 2017 and the Release 3. I guess the black one does too, besides the white top. So, I only have 4 of these to show and no ultra reds. But they look really awesome. While I was cracking them, or going through my box of carded ones, I found this 1966 Pontiac GTO. Now, Pontiac is my GTOs are my favorite casting to collect, and I do not have an Auto World loose. Auto World didn't release a GTO too many times. There's only a couple releases of it. So let's go ahead and free the piece. Shout out to Lamar Fashion. I'm really happy to add a loose Auto World GTO to the collection. The Deluxes, they do not have an opening hood, though it looks like it's a separate piece. So they could release this in the premium line. I'm not sure if they ever have. Of course, it has a plastic base and plastic tires, but I do not mind. Has full detail all the way around. Really happy to add this GTO to the collection. And I do have the yellow variation of this, but I traded it off already, so I'm gonna have to pick up another one. And that's all I have. Just a quick video on Auto World Plymouth Roadrunner. Really happy to add them to the loose collection. Thanks for joining me in that GTO. Really awesome. Add that to the loose GTO collection. So thanks for joining me and taking a look at some Auto Worlds. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and please leave comments. Thank you.